Hello everyone, this time I bring you a very special video. Many times when using rings, it has happened to all of us that they end up stuck in the fingers, making it very uncomfortable to remove them. Today, I will show you an exceptional trick to remove any ring from the finger, no matter how difficult it is, using only thread. The first thing we will do is pass the thread through the middle of the finger. We hold the end and then we turn the thread a few times until we reach the end. Do it the way I show you. Then we fix the thread using tape. Then all you have to do is turn the end of the thread in the opposite direction. You will notice that immediately the thread will start to move outwards. This is an easy method to remove any ring without injuring yourself. As an extra gift, I will show you a great trick so that you can prevent the liquids from spilling when moving them from one container to another. We will use a bottle and make a cut in this part. Then we cut the edges a little to give it a better shape. We remove the lid, and with the help of a hot welder, we will make a hole in the bottom very carefully until it looks more or less like this. Then we will take a 20 milliliter syringe and remove this part. With the help of a knife, we cut this part. And it should look like this. We pass the body of the syringe right in the middle of the lid. Then we just fix it using glue. And then, with the part of the bottle that we had cut, we screw it on the lid. What we did is a homemade funnel that you can use in emergency cases. Ideal for camping or on days off. If you made it this far, leave ring emojis so that you know you saw the full video. If this is the first time you see one of my videos, subscribe to be the first to receive our advice.